Hello! In this video, we will show you how to insert and customize timeline in Microsoft Word. To add a timeline, navigate to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click on SmartArt. In the SmartArt window, click on the Process category. Here, you can choose from two types of timelines: Circle Accent Timeline and Basic Timeline. We will now select the basic timeline. Click OK. The graph was added to our document right away. We adjust the size of the graph by clicking on one of the small circles and dragging. OK, the size is good, so we can enter the data for our 3 points. If you need to add another point, just double-click on an empty area of the graph. The SmartArt Design tab will open. In the Create Graphic group, click on Add Shape. A new wheel will be inserted on the timeline, and we can immediately enter the data for this recording. If, on the other hand, you would like to delete the record, double-click on the graph in the Create Graphic group and click on Text Pane. In the Text Pane window, select the data you want to delete and press Backspace. Now we can change the color of the graph. Double-click on the graph, SmartArt Design tab, and change color. Choose the color that suits you best. You can also click this little arrow in the SmartArt Styles group and choose a 2D or 3D chart style. In this video, we chose the moderate effect. Now we can change the size of the circles. Let's hold Control and mark all 3 circles one by one. Now navigate to the Format tab. In the Shapes group, click on Larger or Smaller. Let's make our circles a little bigger and show how we can replace the colored circles with pictures and make our graph a little more interesting. Just right-click on the circle and select Format Shape. On the right side in Format Shape, click on Fill and Line. Expand Fill and select Picture or Texture Fill. Click Insert under Picture Source. From the Insert Picture dialog box, you can choose whether you want pictures from our computer or online pictures. We will use online pictures and find a picture of the moon landing. Select the picture, click Insert, and that's all. In this way, we will adjust the other circles as well. And we're done. There are many other adjustments you can make, but we'll leave those to your imagination. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.